Hello, hello, all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Happy Thursday morning. It is Throwback Thursday, and our pattern that we picked for this week is from this 1979 March issue of Work Basket, and it was the hanging organizer. This one right here. I chose to do mine I used Red Heart Super Saver in the color beige. Not beige, it's not beige. I don't have the band with me. That You'll see it. It's like a tan color. I think it might be beige, but I'm not sure. And then I had some scrap of some dark green that I used. And so let's see what it looks like. Here's the hanger. And here we go. What do you think? Here it is. It's pretty long. And there's the hanger for it. And it has this one's open, and then a pocket here, and a pocket here, and a pocket here, and a pocket right here. I'm thinking about hanging it up on my wall in here. I've got a hanger thing on the back of my door, and I may just put it on my command hook on the back of my door. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in it. And I forgot to weave in these ends right here. I just noticed that. Oh well. But here it is, guys. I think it turned out really cute. And you could make this any color you wanted. I really like it. So now we have to decide what's going to go on the hook for next Thursday. Let me put this over here to the side. So we have a couple options. Let me get my other work basket books here. Move that one over there. We don't need it anymore. So we've got the hat. Okay, I was going to say, we have this hat right here that we could do for next week. Or we've got the muffler right here. I'm kind of thinking muffler. Let's see. It says in here they used yellow and dark blue. I'm not doing those two colors. So, I don't know. I'll let you tell me. Um, what two colors should I use for this muffler? Um, you need 3.5 ounces of one color and 2.5 ounces of another color, and a G hook, size G hook, which is 4.5, I believe. So there's one, two. Oh, where does that continue? Oh, it doesn't continue. So you do 3 stripes of the light color and 2 stripes of the dark color, and then you put the fringe on. Should be easy enough. Let's go with this one. I think we're gonna do this one. We're gonna do the muffler for next Thursday. Okay? So let me know in the comments below what colors I should use, and I will get started. Excuse me, I am recording this at like 5 o'clock in the morning because I've got to take my mom, or 5:30 in the morning. I've got to take my mom to an early doctor's appointment. So I had to get this done before I picked her up. And she's getting her eyes checked today. And so, yeah, I'm getting myself around here and getting ready to take her to go for her consult. Her cataracts are coming back, and that's why she's having trouble seeing. So we're having a consult with the eye doctor, and then he's going to schedule her date they're going to do a laser procedure to remove the cloudiness. She had full cataract surgery on both eyes back in 2022, and it's starting to cloud up again. So they're just going to go in with a laser, and they said each eye takes about 30 seconds to up to 2 minutes, depending on how much is in there. So shouldn't be too big of a deal. But we're going for the consult today, and then they're going to schedule the laser appointment. So, and then tomorrow, my husband, sorry, I had a full night's sleep, and I don't know why I'm yawning so much this morning. Forgive me, I am so sorry. So then tomorrow, my husband has to go on a little business trip um, to into Kentucky, and it's just he's not staying the night, nothing like that. It's just a real quick trip. And we used to live close to where it is he's going when we were first married, and so thought it might be night. He thought it'd be neat if I went with him. And there's a restaurant up there that we really like. It's a barbecue place that we love to eat at, and so we're gonna go there for dinner, or possibly for lunch, since we're gonna be there about that time, and then head back home. So um, you'll still see a video from me tomorrow. I'm not sure what it's gonna be yet, but I will be sharing some happy mail and just what's coming up for next week. So I will see you in tomorrow's video. Um, and let's see. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I needed to update you on. We are still, I announced it on the live yesterday. We are still looking for October and November and December Battle of the Stitches participants. We need 2. We have October, we have the alternate eyelets, and you get to choose if you want to do eyelet 1 or eyelet number 2 for October. November, you have a choice also for the brick stitch. You can do it in a solid, or you can do it in 2 colors for the brick stitch. And then December is the parquet stitch, which is right here. The parquet stitch is December. So we're still looking for content creators to join us on these to battle it out and just have some fun. So let me know if you would like to participate in either of those months. You can shoot me an email. My email will be in the description box below, so make sure that you shoot me an email and let me know, and hit that thumbs up and leave a comment. In the comments, remember, let me know what 2 colors I should use to make this muffler. Okay, let me know the 2 colors that I need to use for that. And so sorry. Again, I got a full night's sleep. I don't know what the deal is. But anyway, so let me know below. And yeah, I'm going to get around here and finish getting ready to go pick up my mom in just about, I've got to go pick her up in about an hour. So I'm going to finish getting ready for that. Feed Abby, let her out, and get me a cup of coffee, and maybe that'll help me stop yawning. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day today. Make it special. Do something that makes you happy. Do something that helps you to relax if you need to. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.